Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. What's poppin'? We're here, we're live. It's a short day. The market kind of holding this 30 level. We talked about this yesterday. We still got this gap to the downside here on the NASDAQ futures here, but it has been holding that 30 level, just ding, ding, ding about 4 times now, bouncing off that 30 level there on the NASDAQ. The ES ended up filling that gap. Yeah, so the ES filled the gap there. The ES filled the gap, so interesting because the NASDAQ has it. So we'll have to just kind of sit back. It is a short day today. We got 4th of July tomorrow, Independence Day here in the USA. So we'll see how that, I think market closes at 12 a day or at 1 o'clock. I don't even know. 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock? What time's the market close today? Come on, the chat. Come on, chat. 12 p.m. 1 o'clock Eastern. Yeah. One p.m. Eastern. 12 p.m. I love how everyone's got different times. 12 p.m. Eastern. Oh my gosh. Well, what's the fucking holiday schedule here? Let's find out what the holiday schedule is here. Stock market. Oh my God. Trading hours. All right. July 4th, Tuesday closed. Why does it not say July 3rd? Let's look up CME market hours. Holiday schedule. All right, so today ES closes at 12:15. Oh God, what the fuck? So it says here the ES closes at 12:15. Oh, that's funny. Chicago time. So 1:15 p.m. Yeah, 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock p.m. and then reopens at 12 o'clock at midnight Wednesday night? Or what the fuck? No. Dude. I'm so confused right now. Why is this so hard to understand? Trade date Wednesday 5th. It says Wednesday, July 5th. Opens at 12. Reopen. Shit's funny. All right, we got 15 minutes either way till the market opens, so who knows? Hit that like button if you haven't already. We'll see how this plays out. I mean, we'll find out. Well, at some point, we're going to find out, all right? The market's going to it's going to close, and we're all going to find out. We're going to fuck around. We're going to find out today, baby. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Let's go. What's my net worth? -5 times 1 million. I'm broke, baby. That's my net worth. Broke. I'm broke. I'm broke, baby. What's -5 times 1 million? -5 million. Oh man, we had some big news yesterday with Topstep. If you guys haven't heard, Topstep coming out with some big news. You can now earn funding with Topstep with just one to one. This I gotta text somebody about this. It's like This thing on the website is like all blurry. Somebody uploaded the blurry version. Yeah, all the people that were in step 1 that freaked out about getting put into step. I mean, basically the way it worked is if you were in step 1, you are now basically in step 2. Like there's not really any issue here, my friends. I don't know why anyone would care. We also I heard there's some more news coming out today. Topstep's got some more news coming out today. So if this is going to be good news for the funded traders, if you're funded and you're already a customer of Topstep, this will be good news for you. I know people were upset because there wasn't any good news if you were already a customer of Topstep, but we got some good news for the Topstep people. All right, get ready for this. It's going to be a good news day. So, the news. One step, one rule. How it works, very simple, is you basically go through the combine. The only rule that you have to worry about now is the one rule, which is the maximum loss limit. So, there is no more rules. You can't lose your account if you hit the max loss, the daily loss limit, but you will lose the account if you hit the maximum loss limit. So that's the only way that you can violate a rule with Topstep right now is by hitting the maximum loss limit on the account. So pretty big news. One step. Everybody was complaining for a long time. Like, Patrick, I want one step. Topstep needs to be one step. So now it's one step. They also forgot to talk about this. They have the pricing right now is pretty insane. Look at the pricing here. You got a $99 a month, $149, $49. I think this deal right here, the 100,000. I actually bought 3 of these accounts just to have them because the deal is so good. I'm like, hey, I might as well just fucking go ahead and get these funded, right? And even if I can't have them funded, just have them stockpiled up. But that's $99 for the 100,000 account, which I think is a pretty good deal. Like, just to be honest with you, I don't know. I might be biased, but just being honest here, you know, you can actually see last night we traded here in those new combine accounts, and I'm up here, new combine accounts here. Ended up making $1,200 in those 3 accounts, so 3,000, so times 3, 1247 there last night during the Sunday open, which is kind of funny. So we did it. We did it. We only basically, I'm going to try to see if I can't get them funded or go through the combine in the minimum 4 days. We'll find out. Possibly. Right now on the NASDAQ, we're sitting right there, the VWAP, the ES down there to kind of the low of this trend line right now. Remember, today is kind of a funky day. It's a short day. We got July 4th tomorrow. I don't want to like jinx it, but normally these kind of choppy, weird days, I don't know. They're just not the best trading days. But hey, I might be wrong. You know, we'll hope for the best, right? That's all we can do. One Sport 3. The thing is, everybody's freaking out about the activation fee, but here's the thing, right? Not everybody is gonna pass the combine in 1 month, right? It's just a fact. I know a lot of people, it takes them multiple months. So this deal is cheaper, right? You can say like, hey, whatever, do the math on 1 month. But what happens if you're in the combine for 5 months or 4 months, right? Like, it's a little different. So, a little different. Yeah, and the activation fee is literally $140. Like, you're trying to make $1,000 trading and you're sitting here freaking out about the activation fee. I don't, that's the thing is, once you're in the express funded accounts, there is no more fees. You pay the activation fee. There's no monthly fee. There's no data fee. There's no data fee. There's no monthly fee. You pay the $149. You start making money. You get the payouts. Bam, bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. All right. Simple. 5 months. I mean, people have been, some people aren't the best traders in the world and they're trying to get funded. I don't know. It's always been like that. They've just added again, guys, I don't make the rules, right? Like I am a affiliate of Topstep. I'm not an employee of Topstep. I don't make the rules. If it was my company, I wouldn't have an activation fee. But again, it's not my company. So, in the future, if I start my own prop firm, maybe I'll make one and I'll make it the best possible prop firm in the world. But until then, we got to live by Topstep's rules, guys. So I apologize. I would change the rules if I could, but I can't. You get 90% profit split. You keep 90%, they keep 10%. Fortune C7, don't worry, there is news coming today for everybody who was already in the combine, everybody that was also in step 2 or in a funded account. There is big news coming today. So just be excited for that, all right? Relax, everybody, relax. I can't tell you the news yet, but there is good news coming today. Does the 5-day payout rule reset? Yes. So basically every 5 days that you make profit, you can request a payout. A lot of the other companies, they only have certain days of the month. They have certain rules. Topstep's very simple. It's 5 days. You get paid out. Bam, bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. All right. So yeah, that's what's going on. Like I said, I would like to make everything easy for everybody, but at the end of the day, it's, I'm just a YouTuber trying to make money, trying to make $1. I don't run the company. Alex, it 100% changed the whole entire system. What are you talking about? This is not going to be a Topstep Q&A day. Let's focus on the trading, guys. If you have any questions, send an email to support@topstep.com. They will help you out. Future winner futures. Guys, if you lose your express fund account, you just go back into the combine. There's no more step 1. There is no more step 2. Stop talking about step 1, step 2. It's literally just 4 days. You can get funded in 4 days. There's no more steps. It's just one fucking step. Oh my God, I can't. The questions right now. Guys, it's very simple. There's one step, 4 days minimum. You get funded, bam. If you lose the express fund account, you go back into the combine, you do it again. That's it. It's over. It's simple. What can I say at this point? Come on, let's make some money. The market trying to push up here through the VWAP right now on the NASDAQ. We still have this gap down here that we were looking at last night. I don't know. It's sitting down there just we bounced off that 30 area, 3-4 times now? But yeah, if you guys have any questions at all, please email support@topstep.com. This is not a Q&A, Patrick Wieland answer every Topstep question in the world day. I understand that everybody has lots of questions, but seriously, the support will help you. They've got a whole support team just ready to help you answer questions. Okay? Thank you. We got about 5 minutes here till the market opens. The ES, the NASDAQ kind of pushing up here. We'll see how this plays out. Right now on the QQQ, we will be opening up with this kind of gap. Well, yeah, a little gap to the upside there. 370.13. So we closed on Friday kind of down there at the 369s. We're sitting right there at that VWAP right now. So would like to see this kind of maybe possibly pull back, fill that gap there. We'll find out. Market's been holding pretty much this level overnight. We'll see how she plays out right now. Just being patient. It is a short day. The market closes, I believe, at 1 p.m. Eastern. I'm pretty sure it's 1 p.m. Eastern today. So if you guys have not already hit that like button, help me out. Blow up that like button. We got 269 likes. We got to get at least, I don't know, 500 likes here on the stream. We got 4 minutes. 4 minutes. We'll do this. We're going to do a Topstep giveaway here in a little bit as well. Topstep giveaway. And yeah, we have numbers coming out at 10 a.m. today. 10 a.m. numbers. So just kind of sitting back, waiting and watching, being patient. No rush. Just nice and easy. Let's take some nice and easy trades today. I don't know. I'm a little hesitant. I don't really love the idea of the NASDAQ pushing up here in terms of like bulling out, but we'll see. I mean, I've been wrong before. Right now, stuck there at the VWAP again, stuck at the 60s. Oof. 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 My neck. My neck don't like my big old head. My brain's too big. My neck don't like it. The ES is definitely like looking bearish here. I don't know. It's looking bearish. We got about 3 minutes right now. 3 minutes until the market opens. I would love to see this area here get filled on the NASDAQ. That was the open last night on Sunday open. We have not filled this area. So we've held that 30-30. Down to the downside, we got a pivot point at the 15,270 area. To the upside, the next pivot point's all the way up there at the 442. So pretty big move here either way. Kind of in the middle of that area. That 360 area, kind of a middle of this zone here. So if you remember on Friday, we basically were stuck there on Friday, pretty much in this zone for the whole entire day. I mean, pretty much from after 12 o'clock until the end. We sold off there at the end of day, but pretty much just went absolutely sideways in this level. So we're pretty much right there right now. So we'll see how this plays out at open. The ES right now pulling back here. Pivot points on the ES. The next pivot points all the way down there at the 72s. And then to the upside, up there at the 510 area. So we do have a lot of news coming out this week. We got FOMC minutes. We got the what is that? I think it's PMI, something number coming out. Manufacturing PMI number here at 10 a.m. So let's see how she goes. Got 1 minute till the market opens. 1 minute, baby. It's kind of waiting and watching to see what happens here on the NASDAQ right now. Getting stuck there at that 60 level for now, right below the VWAP for now. There is liquidity sitting there at the 62s going into open here. We'll see how this plays out. This is the 15-minute chart right now we're looking at. Yeah, I think this would be a nice little pullback area, kind of fill that gap. It would be better for the bulls, I think, kind of pull back into that level first, because I think if you squeeze straight up, it gets dangerous, and then they're going to drop it back down anyways. So I would not be, I wouldn't be surprised to see if we can get down into this kind of 20 level here today. We got PMI numbers. Is it at 10 o'clock or is it 15 minutes? Which one? All right, so we're selling on the ES. The NASDAQ selling, ES starting to sell. ES through the lows there, the 480s. Chopping around there. NASDAQ sitting here. Little pushback up for now. Going to the 1 minute chart for here. Right there, that VWAP right now. See where this 1 minute candle closes at. The chop is real here. The job is real. But basically want to see this pull back into this 20 level here for the shorts. Right now, holding up there at the 50s for now. We'll squeeze up. Chop City here. 60 area coming up there. The ES still sitting down there at the lows, so I don't know. NASDAQ up there to the 62s. Will they sell it back down through this 50 level again? ES still down there at the lows. Bounce off the VWAP on the NASDAQ here one more time. The chop is real here. Got to get through that VWAP strong. Right now, the ES holding up there at the VWAP for now. And looking like she likes that area still there. Above the 60s. I just don't love this move. I don't love it right now. Still looking bearish here, man. Well, that gap down to the downside. Just let's see what happens with the 15-minute candle here. ES rocketing back up from the 80s to the 84s now. The QQQ squeezing back up there, 370 40s. It would be funny if they just stick it right here at the 60s again today. We don't move at all. One more, just like the other day. Still got 10 minutes on this 15-minute candle. We got numbers coming out here as well this morning. Anything's possible. Lots of time. Market's only been open for 4 minutes. Don't get too excited. Either way, both long and short. Back to the VWAP again here on the NASDAQ. Bunch of liquidity at the 75s. I see that. DK. Just sitting here at the VWAP right now on the NASDAQ. Could go either way. VWAP support here on the NASDAQ for now. Bunch of liquidity there at the 65s, 70 level, stacking up there for now. Will they squeeze it off the VWAP? And back down there to the VWAP. The chop. Chop City. Got to get through the 50s for the bears here to get away from the VWAP. And then this thing could start selling back down. But right now, holding up there at the VWAP for now, the 50s. So let's see what happens here. We need to sell, dump it right here. The QQQ pulling back, the NASDAQ pulling back, the ES up there to the 85s. There we go, down to the 30s now. Can we go into that gap there? Below the 40s. The ES holding up, so the NASDAQ also kind of holding up there for now. Needs to sell through 40s to get the bears excited here. Only way this gets real hot is below the 40s. I can see a move below 40s for the bears. Still just right there at the 50s though. ES kind of holding up, keeping the NASDAQ here at the 50s, I think. Waiting for these numbers to come out, so. ES NASDAQ needs to do something. And the chop. And back up there to the 60s again. Whee! Welcome to short days, short day choppy days. Gotta love it. So much fun. The ES looking weak, but the NASDAQ still up there to the 70s again. See what happens here at the 70s. That 15-minute candle at the highs. Still got 5 minutes left on that 15-minute candle. Got to get through that 70 level. Got the 80 liquidity up there next. They can push it through 70s here. Things get interesting, I think. Got to go right through that 70 strong, though. There's a lot of liquidity sitting there. Getting stuck there at the 70s again. The ES dumping here. ES is pulling back. NASDAQ not pulling back. So be careful on the NASDAQ right here. A little worrisome. A little worrisome. Just a little bit. NASDAQ sitting there at the 70 level. Just chopping right now. '80s on the book map up there. '80s sitting up there right now. Do they run it through the 80? Up there to the 80s. The ES pushing back up. The NASDAQ trying to push through here. A lot of liquidity stacking up there right now on the NASDAQ. So the battle is real here. Got to go up to that 80 level, trying, but getting stuck there at the 70s multiple times. So '74 kind of up there right now. '75s on the book map here, bubble map. The ES pushing up there through the VWAP right now. The NASDAQ above VWAP, but still it's not getting the move here. I guess we got numbers coming out 9:45 for the numbers. Still no move. The ES up there to the 87s. The NASDAQ here at the 70s. ES going straight up right now. NASDAQ stuck at the 70s. You see the ES going straight up there. 88s. NASDAQ nowhere. No movement. And the NASDAQ just stuck there. And the NASDAQ back down below the to the VWAP again. Well, the ES below the VWAP. The NASDAQ pulling back to the VWAP here. NASDAQ back off the VWAP to the 70s again. Straight up here. She's going straight up. Wow. Up there to the 80s on the NASDAQ now. Through the 80s on the NASDAQ. That next area of liquidity is going to be up there, the 90 area. Resistance from earlier in the morning at the 90s now. So, let's see what happens there at the 90s. Dollar pulling back here. Barely really moving here. Both the ES and the NASDAQ kind of grinding higher, but having trouble there. NASDAQ at the 80s. Again, pushing up there to the 80s. Got those 10 o'clock numbers coming out. 10 o'clock numbers. $92 would be the high from the overnight area, so. There's a pivot point on the QQQ at the 370.80s as well up there. Up to the 83s now. $85 here on the NASDAQ now, squeezing straight up here. Squeezing straight up here on the 15-minute chart. You see on the 1 minute chart here, this morning, just getting a lot of that action off the bottom and then rip up there to the 80s now. And right now, pushing all the way up there to the 90s. You guys haven't hit that like button, help me out, blow up that like button. It's free to like, by the way. Free to like. We'll do a giveaway here for a Topstep account at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock giveaway time. Just stay tuned, baby. Let's go. Up there to the 90s again here on the NASDAQ. Quick pullback here. 77s. VWAP all the way down there at the 58. So see how low they're going to run this. Took a little short right there. Kind of like that look on that from the 84s down there to the 74s. It might pull back more. It just looked like it was hitting that top overnight high there. So kind of happened real quick there. This is a 100 tick chart, by the way. So that was like less than 5 seconds. So that was, I entered at 9:53.49, out at 9:54. Yeah. Less than like 40 seconds. So market moving back down there, 65s now. It got denied at that 90 level. So nice little short there. Look at the ETFs as well. QQQ here. That pivot point, not looking hot. Get denied right there at that pivot point, pulling back here now into these numbers coming out. So market dumping right here. Wow. I could have taken a little bit more on that, huh? Probably. Down there to the 55s. Holy shit. The ES still kind of holding up. Look at that. All the way pulled back to the VWAP on the QQQ and on the NASDAQ here. Right back down there to the VWAP before those numbers come out. Market down there to the 60s. More Topstep news coming out later on today. Just waiting for them to announce it. Any moment now. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. It's coming, hopefully. While we're still live here on YouTube. If you guys haven't hit that like button, let's go. We'll do the giveaway here at 10 o'clock. Just waiting. We'll wait for these numbers to come out, and then we'll do the giveaways. So, market pulling back all the way to the VWAP, bouncing right off the VWAP on the NASDAQ. Wow, good time. Not that it was a great time to take profit, but I think it was a good time to take profit there. This thing is up, it's down, it's all around. Long live ICT. Well, long live you getting banned from the channel. Oh, that was a great post. Long live banned. Ouch. Got him good there. Get out of here. Got him. We got him. What advice would I give to someone who is $500 away from getting funded with Topstep? Just wait for the next setup, my friend. Don't think about how far you are, how close you are. Just trade. Trade your setup, man. Just trade. That's all you got to do. Forget about the profit target. Just focus on the setups. You know? Kamikaze drill. He was a kamikaze. He's like, I'm going to go on that live stream and I'm going to yell, Allah, ICT. Allah, ICT for me. Yay. And then bam, gone. Long live ICT forever. Gone. I love it. I do have a good time sometimes. I have a good time sometimes. It's a short day, by the way, everybody. If you're just now tuning in, short day. I am not in a short right now. We covered the short from earlier. Just kind of waiting for these numbers. We got numbers at 10 a.m. here. Let's see what this market decides to do. I'm guessing you have beef with ICT. No. I'm not a coach. ICT is a coach. I'm a player. I play in the game. ICT just coaches. There is no beef. We're not even on the same level. Totally different level. I play the game. He stands on the sidelines and watches. Difference. Big difference. Big difference, my friends. All right, so the numbers are out here. We're chopping back up above the 70s here. A little dip, a little rip. Do they push this higher now after those numbers? Through the 92 level, has to kind of get through there quickly. Got some wild action here. It's wild, baby. It's wild. It's wild. Will we push through the 85s right here? Or pull back? I'll take a long right here, see if it squeezes up through the 85s quickly. Gotta go, go, go. Gotta go, go, go. Stop right here at the 72s. We're either gonna go or we're gonna get stopped. Let's go. Trying to push, trying to push. Getting stuck there. Oh gosh. Stuck right there at that pivot point right now on the QQQ. If we could just get through there, possibly squeeze. Possibly squeeze here. We gotta squeeze. Gotta squeeze, baby. Gotta squeeze it. Don't like that denial right there. Uh-oh. We might be getting stopped. Let's see. Needs to push right through here again quickly. Fucking chop. The chop. Are you kidding me? Come on. I'm gonna watch the 75 level. We gotta hold 75s or I'm gonna get out here. I don't like it. Just could not get through there. Fucking had this set up. I think it was there. We might squeeze now finally. Watch. Now that I stopped out. NASDAQ pullback 72s there, 75s again. Back down there to the 70s again. We're right below that blue line, which is the high from the overnight here. Or that's what? Something. I'll be sending out emails today for people that won on Friday. Don't worry, everybody. Market down there, the 67's now stuck there. And the market down there, the 64s again here. Getting tight on the ES though. Back to this trend line. All right, so we'll do the giveaway here. All you need to do for the giveaway is very simple. Free giveaway here. My friend Topstep is making a All right. For the giveaway, to win, you just need to leave a comment on this video right here. comment on this video for a Topstep combine giveaway. Comment on the video. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. And market pulling back deeper into the 60s now. Not on this video. Go comment on the video in the link, guys. What are y'all doing? Go comment on this video. Why are y'all? Oh my gosh. I don't think people listen sometimes. They were funny. Go comment on that video, by the way. Market back to the 63s for now. Will they squeeze it back above 70s here? To the highs one more time. $75. Get through 75. Go to the 80s next. But right now, stuck there at the 70s. Bounce off the VWAP once again. Got that VWAP support for now. The ES trying to push through the 90 level. I think if the ES starts to break out here, should send the NASDAQ higher. Let's see if we can get this push up now. I had to get a push up here above the 80s on this move. Tapping that 75s again. Needs to go through right here, right now. Watching it, watching it. Can we squeeze? Stuck there at the 70s again. The ES just pulled back. NASDAQ having trouble right there. Needs to squeeze right here, right now. I want to get this through the 70s quickly here. Fuck me. Can't get through 70s again. Why? Why? Just tapping 70s, tapping 70s, tapping 70s, tapping 70s. Watching to see what happens here. The 60s. We're going to dump right here. Gotta be careful. Give it a little second. I'm going to jump out right there. Not liking that fucking pullback there. Cannot get the break today, boys. No breaks today. Just stucks. Back to the VWAP here again. Renato, price gambling. See you later, bro. Why watch this? Like, I don't get it. Like, why watch? You don't like. There's other YouTubers out there you can go watch. Like, why watch me? If you don't like it, you can go watch somebody else. There's other people to watch. No one's forcing you to watch this stream. I just don't get it. Like, why watch? People act like I'm like they're forced to watch this stream. Like I'm the only YouTuber on the internet. Like there's other ones out there, guys. Go watch another one. Now let's get a squeeze. Story of my life. Market is chopping right now. Hey. Back to the VWAP, back up, back down, up around, all around, baby. This is exactly the fucking level that we were at fucking all day on Friday. Or the end of day on Friday. Like PTSD at this fucking level. It's amazing. PTS fucking D, baby. And the market's selling off, maybe? All right, let's do the giveaway here. YouTube comment picker. YouTube comment picker. Here we go. Starting the winner here. The winner is Giovanni Venegas. Giovanni Venegas. Giovanni Venegas. Giovanni. Giovanni, are you here? There you go. Send me an email with a screenshot. I'm going to get to everyone today and send you guys, get you set up with your accounts if you won on Friday. Don't worry. Just stay tuned, baby. Market just stuck here at the VWAP for now. No move up, no move down. Gotta love it. Do they finally start selling through here or just chop it around one more time? I like the chop option more. I think it's probably going to just chop. Down there to the 45s. Just chopped it right back up there, baby. Right to the VWAP again. God. Gotta love these holidays. So fun. Just love them. I love them. We love the holidays. Happy holidays, everybody. Happy holidays. May the holiday be in your favor, is what I like to say. May the holiday ever be in your favor. Yeah. And now back up there to the 70s. How high can she go? Up there to the 70s, pulling back again. Are holidays normally choppy? Yes. Unfortunately. Just a short day. Not a lot of people were trading today. Less volume, less action, less big money trying to make things happen. They're just kind of on vacation. They're on their yachts today. Big money's on the yachts today. They're not sitting on the computers trading, that's for sure. They're like, we're going to get a sit back and count all my money and not try to sit here and make more money. Something like that, I think, is what they do. Once again, stuck there at the 70s for now. Kind of looking like a possible wanting to break out here. Up there towards the 77s possible. I'm just chopping it back down here again. Tough day here. No breakouts today, I think. Just gonna chop city everybody up today. So might be a good time to just walk away. Ugh. Painful. I'm not in a trade right now, just waiting. I was hoping to see him push through this level. I think if we get above the 70s, might get that little squeeze out of there. But right now, just hanging out at the VWAP. They like that VWAP area, holding up at the VWAP. The ES still kind of holding above the VWAP, the NASDAQ below the VWAP here. The chop is very real. Look at the ES trying to push up right now. NASDAQ just not getting it. It's not getting it there. Tough one. Market back down to the lows again. To the 40s there. There's still that gap to the downside. Possible fill there. Is it gonna happen? Gonna go all the way to the 30s here? They said, nah, he's gonna chop it all the way back up now. That 30 level down there sitting strong from the overnight. So get through 30s. You think 20s is sitting down there next quickly. Right now, sitting there at 35, bouncing here. Will we make a little bear flag on the 1 minute chart? The ES just right there at the VWAP, the NASDAQ down here at the lows right now. With the ES holding up the VWAP right now, it's kind of holding up the NASDAQ as well. So might be another chop zone here. In another chop zone. You see the ES kind of just holding up there for now. So we need that to lose VWAP support. ES has been going sideways pretty much since 9:45 here. NASDAQ, a little bit more action today, but the ES basically just in that range between 85 and 89. Got to get through 35s there. Selling down there, 35s again. You see the ES is sitting right there. The NASDAQ selling down. Will they sell it all the way through the 30s here? Dirty 30s right here. Dirty 30s. NASDAQ said, nope. Not now. Not yet. John Pike, I think the Topstep representative is probably have about 1,000 emails today, bro. So give them a little bit of time. If they don't respond right away, I'm thinking they got probably over 1,000 emails to go through. So they'll respond to you. Just give them a little bit of time. Everybody is going crazy today. NASDAQ back down, chopping around this 30 level. Will they finally get it through the 30s here? There's the sellers coming in. They're about to test 30 hard. I think if they get it through the 30s, we go 20s. Bouncing there at the 30s for now. There we go through the 30s now. 27s, 28s, 25s. Go all the way to the 20s here would be the goal. Fill that gap from the overnight open. There's it down to 24s now. Back to the 30s. On the book map right now, you can see that 20 area sitting down there heavy, so. Need to tap that 20 level here. ES still kind of holding up there at the 85s, though. Keeping the NASDAQ alive for now. Will they go all the way to the 20s here? 24s. 24s. 23s low so far. I want to see this thing just tap 20s. Flat on the 20s, baby. Flat on the 20s here. Tap the 20s here, baby. Come on. Trying to get this 20 tap. 19, got it. Didn't get filled. Didn't take it. Need a little bit more. Let's see. Come on. Can I get paid today? Can I get paid today? I'd like to get paid today. It's like I see a little dip below 20s here. John Pike, there's probably like a 5-second delay, bro. When I'm saying 23, it might already be at 20. Yeah, that's another reason there's no point in trying to follow my trades. There is a delay. I mean, it's not by me. It's just the internet in general. Not perfectly live here. Trying to see if we can get through this little 20 area really quickly. Just lock in some profit here. I'm going to lock you right there, just 1,500. Legend has it if you comment about ICT here, you'll get banned. Is it true? No, but if you ask stupid questions, you will get banned. Legend proven. Josh Lamb also getting banned. Not even in a bad mood. Just ask stupid questions, get stupid results. Market down there to the 20s, finally getting that fucking gap fill from the overnight we were looking for earlier. There it is. Beautiful move down. Oh, let's go. Down there, 16, 15s. Are you kidding me? I already knew that was going to happen. If I took profit, it obviously was going to go fucking more. Guaranteed every time. Nothing's more guaranteed in life than if I take profits, it's going to go lower. I mean, that's like there is no guarantee in life other than the fact that if I take profit, it's going to go higher or it's going to go lower. That's the only guarantee in life, my friends. There is no other guarantee other than you're going to die one day. But I would say the number one guarantee is the fact that if I take profit, 100% the market will continue to go in that direction. So Just letting you know. Like I said, there is no guarantees, but there is that one guarantee. Market down here to the 16, 17s. Now, do they push it back up off of there? Now is the question. A lot of liquidity stacking up there for now. This would be kind of a bounce area here. Would be kind of a bounce area, bouncy bounce area. A little bouncy bounce there. Oh. You can use a trade copier for all 3 accounts. You can trade 3 combines at once. You can just use a trade copier in the Trade-of-8 system. So, I mean, with the price right now, with the price of Topstep, not to like suggest that you should trade multiple accounts, but with the price being so cheap, you know, it might not be a terrible idea. Just saying, just speaking out loud, you know. Obviously not financial. I don't even know how to spell guarantee, so, you know. I can't even spell guarantee, man. Will my discount be added on top of the current discount? I doubt it. That's wishful thinking, though. I like your thinking. Jake Hendricks, Apex is way better. Yeah. We've heard that one before. See you later. Hey, Apex. Yeah. We've heard that. We've heard that story before. Apex always has 90% off. They're always 90% off because, yeah, I'm not even going to get into it. Apex has a trailing intraday loss limit. A trailing intraday loss limit, right? Is that what it's called? Trailing intraday loss. Right? Trailing intraday loss. Is that what it's called? Yeah. It trails unrealized profits. So you can literally be up. Like, think about this. You can be up $5,000 on the day, and you can still lose the combine account or the evaluation on Apex. I don't care what anyone says. That's not better than Topstep. Like, that's literally just preying on traders. That's all that is. Like, that's preying on them losing. Having an intraday trailing stop is terrible. Apex is the winner, Patrick. Don't ban me. Sorry, bro. Banned. Apex don't pay enough money to be talked about on this live stream. You know what I mean? You know what? You got to pay. It's like NASCAR around here. You want to get promotion, you got to pay for the promotion, boy. It's simple. You think Topstep don't pay a lot of money to get me to wear this t-shirt? Come on. I'm the #1 day trader on YouTube. Getting paid 6 figures, baby. Choo, choo. choo. Dollar bills. Shake and bake, baby. Shake and bake. Let's go. There's a little bounce that I don't want to say I called it, but we kind of talked about that little bounce back up off of that low now. So I think now kind of just sitting back, waiting and watching to see what happens from here. What kind of premium did I pay for that Rolex? Just whatever the listed price was, I think. Little boner candle straight back up there now. Chris, do I have other time frames? Is the sky fucking blue, Chris? Is the sky fucking blue? Come on, dude. That's a little silly. I only have one chart. I got 5 monitors, but only one chart pulled up, baby. Only the 1 minute time frame. No other time frames. I've never looked at any other time frames. Only one my whole life. I don't even know. How do you put multiple charts on your computer? Can somebody explain that to me? How does that work? I don't know how to do it. Market squeezing right here. Back up off the lows. All right, all right. You were just wondering that the #1 day trader on YouTube is if he only looks at one time frame? Come on, bro. That's not even wondering. That's just like idiotic at that point. I got fucking $3,000 worth of monitors sitting in front of me, baby. Cash, 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 cash. I'm getting a sunburn from all these monitors. Getting a blue light sunburn. I'm gonna get skin cancer from this shit. I gotta go to the bathroom real quick, actually. Pee-pee break. Pee-pee break. Oh, God. Free your eyes and free your mind. If you guys haven't hit that like button, blow up the like button. I use the money, the dollar bills. I just wipe them all over me. Just $100 bills. Get the sunscreen. Use the $100 bills for toilet paper around here. Ran out of toilet paper. Started using $100 bills. Right now, just watching here at the 20s. You got the ES over here at the 85s. Back up there to the VWAP for now. A little squeezy squeezy, maybe. A little squeezy squeezy, maybe. A little squeezy squeezy. The NASDAQ can get pushing through here. I think you got a good chance to kind of push up there to the 40s. A little squeezy. Off of that low, we got the VWAP all the way up there at the 55s. They like that VWAP area. We were holding that VWAP area all morning long. Let's see if they're going to squeezy here. Squeezies. The ES above the VWAP. The NASDAQ VWAP all the way up there at the 55s. Ayo and the yayo. Only if you want me. I mean, if the NASDAQ can get through this kind of like 34, 35 level, you got that 44s up there pretty quickly. Kind of squeeze up there. On the book map right now, there's a bunch of liquidity kind of stacking up here, but 45 up there. Looking bullish. Take out that 45 area. Maybe you want to get that VWAP touch here. 45, get that VWAP touch. Touch on the VWAP. You know, you'd be like, hey, you get that VWAP touch. Touch it. Just touch it there. Hi, Mr. VWAP. How you doing? Both the NASDAQ and the ES kind of pushing up here now. So the ES running into resistance for now. The 87s, that kind of trend line from earlier. Back into this kind of triangle thingy here. Look at that little thingy. NASDAQ chopping around 30s. Chopping 30s. Chopping the chop. Choppy chaps. Need to get this to squeeze. And you get to squeeze. What are my indicators? I got the Lux Algo price action concepts on there. I got the VWAP and the pivot points. Pretty much my indicators on the chart right now. Very simple, very easy. Nothing too crazy. That 333 area resistance. Holding us down for now. Ooh, a little bounce back there. Nice little bounce back. Finding some buyers coming in there. That 87, 88 area on the on the ES. NASDAQ, ES. Hey. And the NASDAQ chopping 30s again. Bunch of liquidity just came in there, sitting here right now. At that 35 level. If they can clear this 35 level out, you see the 40s up there next. 45 would be the push. Clear out that 35s. Clear out the 35s here. Clear out the 35s. Clear it out. I turned the volume up on my hater blockers. Watching that 35 level for a breakout, but we got to get above 35 there for now. Once again, pulling back 22s here, hitting that trend line. So basically be looking for a long, like over this 34, 35 level for a possible move up there to the 40s. Right now, just kind of pulling back into here. She's stuck. Pull it back to the lows again. Pulling back to the lows again here. Will they bounce it off the lows now? Dan Cronin. I won't even ban you because I'll just leave you because I want everyone to kind of read that and laugh at your comments. I'm not even going to comment on it. I'm going to laugh about it, actually. Because it's that funny of a comment. You guys are all just getting real feisty in the chat today, huh? I lose, Rachel. Don't say I lose. I'm never going to claim that I don't lose, by the way. That would never be a claim that I would make. Maybe like in that moment, but not like actually would never claim that on YouTube. By the way, anyone that's watching now. What are y'all arguing about in the chat right now? What's the issue? What's everybody arguing about? I want to be a part of the argument. I want to be a part of the argument. What are y'all arguing about? I want to be in it. Tell me. I wasn't looking at the chat. Now I see everybody arguing. Come on, what are we doing? What's the deal? I want to be a part of it. Come on. Tell me. Tell me what's happening. I want to hear the news. So the ES again down, got stuck at that trend line at the 87s. The NASDAQ down here again. Down there, the 808s. 808 Hawaii. And they just popped it right back up there. Cold Fusion, yeah, I still use the MACD and the 21 EMA. I got multiple charts pulled up, bro. Come on. Everyone always worried about what I'm doing. Just worry about yourselves. Worry about yourselves. Gosh. Cold Fusion, if you ask me a question again, I'm going to make sure I'm going to ban you. So just ask it one more time and I will easily ban you. Guys, if you ask a question 500 times, it does not make me want to answer it. It just makes me want to ban you. So I don't know why people love to like ask the same question over and over. Like I'm going to be like, hi, I see that you've asked the question 20 times. I would like to answer it now. Only on the 20th time will I actually answer your question. Please comment at least 20 times and then I will for sure answer it. Okay. Down here at the lows again. The ES is still kind of holding up the NASDAQ at the lows. So interesting setup right now. The ES just can't get away. The NASDAQ getting away, I guess, if you want to call it that. I love how everyone's like adding me on Twitter about if they're having issues with Topstep today. I love it. Guys, again, I don't work for Twitter. I don't work for Topstep. I'm a affiliate, but I don't like I have no say. Trust me, like they don't give a fuck about what my opinion is. All right, like I'm just letting you know. Like I'm just being very honest. Like they don't like I have no fucking say. So everybody like complaining to me, like there's nothing I can do. I wish I could help you, but I can't do anything. I'm literally just a guy on YouTube. I am not an employee of Topstep. God, everyone's literally like going off. Like, Patrick, do something. I'm like, what am I gonna do? Let me call them up. Hey guys, I want you to give everybody refunds and then give them $10,000 as well. Okay? Pay everybody $10,000. Just give them all free money. It's crazy. Like, I think Topstep's gonna do everything they can to help people out and make it right, but at the same time, like, I don't know for sure like what they're gonna do exactly. I apologize. I wish I could, just magically make everybody have $10,000 in their bank account. It would be great. I would love for that to happen. There's nothing more that I would love in life than just to give everybody $10,000 and we could all just be happy, happy, happy. But unfortunately, it just doesn't work that way. I know the libtards will tell you that we can all just get free money and get all that free everything, free school, free money, free everything. But someone's got to pay for it. Someone's got to work around here. Just not that easy, my friends. Back up there to the 1718s again, off the lows here. Socialism don't work, my friends. Look at the ES pushing up here. The NASDAQ stuck right now. NASDAQ can just not get out of this area now. So kind of an interesting setup here. The QQQ right there at that pivot point at the 369 area. So trouble in paradise. Gotta love holiday trading. It's the best time I'm trading. I love holiday trading. It's fun stuff. If I had $1 for every time I should not have traded on a holiday, I'd be a millionaire. The ES sitting there, 88s on the book map right now. That 30 area showing up on the NASDAQ there. Do they run it to the 30s again? To the 30s, to the 30s, to the 30s, to the 30s, to the wall. Can the 30s go all the way up to the crawl and the balls and all that stuff? To the windows, to the 30s, to the windows, to the 30s, to the 30s, to the windows, to the 30s, to the windows. I'm just here having fun. We're just having a good old time. Living the dream, baby. Living the dream every day. I'm just here to make some fun with my friends on the YouTube. See, the problem is I don't even want to fucking go. I don't even want to go on the lake right now because it's going to be madness out there right now. It'll be absolutely everybody and their fucking mom at the boat ramp right now. The boat ramp would just be, oh God, it'd be terrible. It'd be terrible to go to the boat ramp right now. I should quit day trading and start being a rapper. That might be the only way for me to find success in life. Is this day trading thing clearly ain't working right now. I think I'm gonna buy another. I think my kind of goal right now is just to make a bunch of money these next few months And then I might move back to South Florida and start fishing again. I miss fishing. The wakeboarding stuff's fun, but like living on the ocean, going out in the ocean early in the morning, sunrise, going to the Bahamas, like it's just a different life, you know, like being on the intercoastal, the ocean, like that salt water. It's a vibe, man. It's a totally different world. So I'm currently in Orlando, Florida. Market back down there to the lows for now. Will they sell here? The ES getting stuck. Saw the ES got stuck there at the 89s again. The NASDAQ right there at the 18s. Chop City here for now. Don't you go fishing in Florida? Yeah, that's what I said. What did I say? Fishing, Florida, fishing? I don't know what this market's gonna do here. I think it's gonna fucking just chop for the rest of the damn day here, probably. Hold this 20 level and just keep chopping sideways, or I don't know. We got a pivot point in the NASDAQ down there at the 269s. What's the chance we get all the way down there? Probably pretty low. If you guys haven't hit that like button, hit that like button, baby. Michael Love. That is not what I need to do. That is not what I need to do right now. Far from it. I appreciate the idea, though. That's probably just not what I need in my life right now. Oh my gosh, what the fuck? Welcome to, like, I don't know. I feel like lately I feel like every day has just been a fucking holiday. It's like there's always some kind of holiday. It's like tomorrow's a holiday, today's a holiday. It's always some fucking holiday. Does anybody even work anymore? Does anybody even work anymore, or is it just fucking everybody just holidays? Always some kind of holiday. Have I ever done a triathlon? I hate running, so I'll probably avoid the triathlon. I did a 5,000 meter row on Sunday. I do little challenges on myself, but I don't feel like I need to go into a race to choose it. Is today National Chipotle Day? No way. Have I ever been hunting? Do I look like someone who's never been hunting? Do I? I have a boar tusk, a boar, lower jaw of a boar on my leg, and a Bowie knife. Come on. Is that even a question? Who has a lower jaw of a boar on their thigh and never been hunting? That would just be sacrilegious. Sacrilegiously wrong. Oh my gosh, at the 20s, stuck here now. Maybe we go, maybe we don't. We'll find out. 35, 33s up there on the book map right now. Would like to see us take out that 33 level And then maybe we can start to push up there to the VWAP again. But for now, we're just in this chop zone area. The ES looking like she wants to push, but no pushies. Just choppies. Lots of chappies. Woo! Can you use Lux Algo at NinjaTrader? I don't think so. Can I fillet a boar? Oh, baby, I can fillet a boar. I can fillet a fucking swordfish. I can fillet a... I don't even know. A gator. Gone gator hunting before, too. Got it all, baby. We hunting it. We killing everything. We're killing everything. If it crawls, it's dead. Oh, God. This is what happens when I'm on the internet when nothing's happening in the market. I get bored and I start saying crazy things, and then someone reports me to YouTube, and then I get banned. Shadow banned for life. I'm shadow banned for life, man. The NASDAQ barely moving today. We are experiencing 100% beautiful, just holiday trading action, my friends. It don't get no more holiday trading than this. Welcome to the holidays. Back up there to the 30s, stuck now. Once again, the ES pulling back, the NASDAQ pulling back here. What we push up to there? 28s got denied. The ES selling off, the NASDAQ selling off here. Will they take this low? And chop. They're holding that trend line there, though. 19's back up. Oh, baby. Take a little nap. See you guys in a little bit. Little nap time. Just a little quick nap, you know? Just rest the eyes for a minute. Just need to rest the eyes for a minute. So pretty much we need to get through this area right here for the bulls. They got to get through this 30, 32 area right now, just kind of chopping up into there again. So we got denied here earlier. I would say there are people trying to get short here. So if they can get through this area, should squeeze some shorts and get that move up there towards the 40s next. Got that 40 area, 42's up there. So if they could just get through 33, I'd say that 40 area squeezes shorts here at the lows. Would have to get right through there like right now to squeeze those shorts. Bad memories, one more, she said. Shorts were sitting there. Trying to couple it down, keep it down there. No follow through. No follow through Monday. That should be the name of this video. No follow through Monday. Just chop, chop, choppity chop. Whee! Back down. What's up with trolling Adam Adamka? Who's Adamka? Oh, Topstep. What does that mean? I don't know. Banned. Today is a short day. One more drink, she said. Markets close at 1 o'clock today, Eastern. 1 o'clock Eastern. One more drink, she said. So the big news, if you haven't heard, I think everyone's probably heard the big news, but the big news is Topstep right now has a deal going on, $49 a month to sign up for the $50,000 account. It's $99 for the $100,000, and it's $149 for the $150,000. So, oh good. They also got rid of the 2 steps. So right now, you no longer have to trade the 2 steps. You can get funded within 4 days. 4 days, you can get funded with Topstep now. So kind of a big deal. A little bit of a big deal. It's kind of a deal. I don't know. Is it a big deal? Is it not a big deal? Who really knows? We're just living in this fantasy world, my friends. Who really cares? Who really knows? That's what I always ask myself. If the world ended tomorrow, would it even matter? Probably not. So the NASDAQ, again, back up there to the 30s, little kind of holding this trend right now here. If you want to learn more about Topstep, there's a link there in the chat box to get the big ass discount. Big ass. That's what I'm going to call it now. Big ass. Big ass discount. Bro, this is painful to watch. This is like watching an overnight session right now. This is literally how the overnight session trades. Like 1 point up, 1 point down, 1 point up, 1 point down, 1 point up, 1 point down. You guys haven't already hit that like button. Help me out, blow up that like button. It's free to like, by the way. Hit that like button now. You can win, win, win. I don't know what you're going to win, but you're going to win something. Your happiness. Everybody that likes the like button, you're guaranteed to be happy today. My buddy on fire. Obviously, this is not financial advice, by the way. If you're watching this video, please understand that I'm an idiot on the internet. Don't go doing what I do, which is just don't do it. It's not a good idea. It's a terrible idea. Everything that I do is terrible. Just don't do it. Stay away from me. Stay away. Oh my gosh. One more drink, she said. Market's stuck. It's absolutely stuck right now. Are you fucking kidding me? It's a joke. trade the ranges. What are the ranges? 4 points up, 4 points down? Like, that's the fuck is that? 4 points up, 4 points down. Oh, congratulations. I'm rich. Trade it. Way awesome. I like to trade 4 point ranges. The ES range. Yeah. Look at the ES range. You could go from the 86s to the 88s and then back down. And then you go to the 86s again. And you go back to the 88s. And then you go to the 86s again. And you go back to 88s. That'd be so fun. I don't want to trade that. Are you guys crazy people? Are you crazy people in this chat? I need a Netflix special, 100%. Somebody put me on Netflix. If you know a connection at Netflix, call them up. Let's go, baby. Patrick Wieland Netflix special, all inclusive. Netflix, all behind the scenes. See the true story of Patrick Wieland. It could be great, I think. Is this the range? Do you buy here and sell at, you buy at 24 and then you sell at 28? Is that the range? Oh, fuck, it's going down. You can't buy. The range broke. Greg Falla, thanks, bro. Texas Hold'em YouTube special. I don't know if I want to do that. I'm not very good at playing cards. Or maybe I am. I don't really know. I don't know. Can you be good at playing cards? And the range is broken. Market down, down, down. Look at this thing. Down to the 316s again. Has anyone asked me for a podcast? I mean, I get emails all the time. People just wanting me to be on their podcast or on their YouTube channel. And I say no. Unless somebody has like quadrillion followers, then I'll do it. But if not, not doing it. No offense to all the little people out there, but I don't do it. I ain't here to make you money. I'm here to make me money. Why? Why would I? There's no point in me going on a podcast with somebody that no one's even heard of. Joe Rogan wants to call me, I'll do the podcast. But doing a podcast with some random person on the internet does nothing for me or my brand. All it is doing, helping them. I would say yes to Joe Rogan. Yeah, 100%. Joe Rogan, call me. Let's do it. But everybody else, pretty much no. Will Topstep do the huge discount very often? I don't know. It's till the 16th of this month. The 16th of this month is the huge discount on Topstep. So check it out. NASDAQ back into this area again at the 1820s. The chop zone. The ES still kind of holding up there at the 90s right now, so. The fuck? The discounts for the lifetime of the combine. All right, I think I'm about to be over this. This is not happening today, so I'm not a range. I don't trade fucking 5-point ranges. It's not my thing. So if you're making money on these 5-point range moves, congratulations. Not really what I do. So I'm looking for 50-point, fucking 40-point movers, not 5-point up and downs. The ES is trying to push up here. The ES up there to the 89s again. NASDAQ up there to the 25s again. Do we finally get a move out of this range here? I don't know. We're right there in the middle right now. Right there in the middle, my friends. Right there in the middle. The market's just not moving. Oh my gosh. Back to the 18s. The ES literally cannot move more than 1 point per candle. Bad. Josh T took off work today. You fucked us, Josh. Go back to work. Go back to work. Oh, God. I'm over it. I'm good. I'm over it. Thank you very much. I don't want it any more than this. This is terrible on all fronts, so. It's been fun. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Not tomorrow morning. I'll see you on Wednesday morning. Wednesday morning, 9:15 a.m. live right here on YouTube. If you guys want to learn more about Topstep, Topstep's got all the deals going on right now. Check them out. It's pretty much the best price you're ever going to get with Topstep. So I don't know how it's going to last until July 16th. After that, you might never get a deal this good. You can sign up and hold the account for like 30 days. You don't have to start trading right away. So check them out. Topstep. There's a link there in the chat box and all that fun stuff. So I will talk to you guys on Wednesday morning. I'll see you guys Wednesday morning here back on YouTube live. So one rule, one goal, get funded fast with Topstep. Da, 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 da.